Hey guys, right now we will talk about how to visualize data in our map. Where let's say we want to show earthquakes in Japan. We want to show the magnitude and also the year of the occurrence. So at simultaneously. So what we will do first, we will go to and also we'll learn how to export the file by using layouts. First we'll go to the this symbology thing under the earthquake in Japan layer. Then this symbology comes in. Then we go a back bit, and primary symbology we select to um, graduated symbol. Okay, so what it does that it will create some deviations in the what is it, circles, yeah, based on the field we provide here. So in this case we'll see that it automatically take a year. So what it means that when we go to the when you go below, we see that the largest circle represents year closer to 2019. It's 2019 or less than 2019, yeah. So but we're not interested in so if we like let's check a bit. If we click this circle, and it will show us the all the things, all the information about it, and we can see that the year, if we try 500, yeah, it is between like is it 2020 2015 and 2019, yeah. So but in this case we are interested in magnitude, yeah. So I have changed the attributes table a bit, yeah, because when we will use the layout section, we will yeah. So I'm going to show you a little bit what I did previously is that I went to attribute tables, and I changed something. If you want to change anything, you cannot change it in here. I mean the location, and yeah, the first row, what is it called, I don't know. So if you want to change any of these things, you'll have to go to add fields view, then try to find out the magnitude. It was written as mag, but I changed it to magnitude. That's all. See this magnitude, I just only changed into magnitude. These were mag before. It will help to represent the correct writings on the, what is it called, in the layout section. You'll see later, yeah. So this let's uncheck this will not be showing there. Let's save. Okay, so yeah, so in the field we will choose magnitude, and it will show the upper level and the lower level, based on the, and they will create circles for us. So yeah, so this shows this the bigger circle shows the bigger magnitude, and the yeah, whatever. So that's it. And we will also like to show um, year, the when the earthquake occurred. We also like to show the year as well. So what we do, that we cannot like show in um, what is it called, in size, right? We have already picked size for the magnitude. So what we do, we will change the color, yeah. So for we will go to the this site and select color and field as year, yeah. And it will give us this upper limit and lower limit, and they have made the darkest part is the darkest blue is the year, the maximum year, which is 2019, and the lower year. So we can also play around with the color schemes you want. And also let's you let's, yeah, just go back from there and change. I would like to change these colors to this circle. It looked cool on the on the thing I have watched. Yeah, so that's it. So now let's change the color a bit. Yeah, let's do red. Yeah, yeah. So that's it. So this represents two things. The color represents the year, and the size represents the magnitude. So what we'd like to export it. What do we do? First, we insert. Go to insert, then create a layout, any size you want. I will go with letter. Then we will add our map. How do we do it? Where is the option? Layout. We go to layout, and sorry, we go to insert and map frame. Select this map which we just created and drag across our canvas. There we go. And in order to zoom in or do anything, or you'll have to um, go to the layout pane and layout panel and click activate. Yeah, then you can zoom it around or drag it around, which ever position you like you can choose. I would like to, let's give it 75%. Yeah, yeah. So we'd like to integrate, we'd like to add some data as well. um, so what we can do is we can go to the uh, insert, not sorry, we go to the, yeah, of course, insert. Where is it? No, first we'll have to close the activation. Yeah, then we go to insert, then create the arrow of that it represents that it's this side is north, and we will add a scale bar. Don't worry about the scale bar, it changes whenever you move or change anything in the map. It automatically takes the data. That's none of our problem. And we'll also add a legend. Yeah, so we made a mistake here, as I have did in my Bengali version, that we did not create the legend here. Yeah, so what we'd like to do is go to let's activate it first. Yeah, go to layout, activate, and go to our map view, and go to symbology, back here, and the color, and show legend. And you'll see on the content pane, you'll the under the layer there will it will show the legend of the year. So, and come in our layout pane, also close the activation, go to insert and add the legend. Yeah, you can always change the text and everything in the text symbol. Yeah, play around with it. Yeah, okay. And we would also like to add uh, uh what is it called, caption? No, title. uh, we can do this in many ways. So we can use this option, which is rectangular text, maybe. Yeah, rectangle text. We can use this also, or we can use this one as well, from the dynamic text name of the map. Then give it a name, say earthquake in Japan. Earthquake in Japan. And no, earthquake in Japan from 2000 to 2020. Cool. But we want to increase the font size. Let's give it sorry, let's give it 24. Apply. And also the, no, no, not the paragraph, sorry. No, no, formatting কোথায় জানো? Here, the position, this one. Apply. Yeah, there we go. So that's it. And oh, now, no, no, now we'll have to export it, right? So we'll have to go to the share menu. Here, share, then export layout, then select where you want it to be exported. Let's say show the directory wherever you like, rename it however you like, earthquake in Japan. Save. uh, I always click this cryptographic extent, otherwise my the export file, it comes out white. I don't know why. I'll have to learn about it more. um, yeah, that's it, and click export. Oh, you can always choose the file type, whichever that you like, jpeg for PDF. um, let's wait a bit. You exported file, or you can go to that directory as well. There is our map. uh, that's it, I think.